Hey guys, what's up? Um, so a few weeks ago, I was invited to an event where we were told, um, and we were given basically drone sets, um, and we were just given an open problem of solving and doing anything cool with the drone. During the demo or the initial opening, they did mention they were like, "Hey, one of the problems we're noticing is we have issues with drone swarms and how to control them." Like our own drone swarms. How do we control a bunch of those at once? So I kind of thought about it, and what I ended up coming up with was like kind of like an RTS clone. Um, Anyone who's played games, especially RTS games, they'll probably recognize some of these features that I've created. Um, so you can select some, and then it'll go in and do any of these. But specifically, what I want to do, so I'll select some. So as you guys can see, 10 drones have been selected. It has some battery, some status on them. But what I want to do is something like search and rescue, right? So if we go here, like let's say someone's lost in this area, we can have the drones go in this area, and then it'll say, hey, yeah, confirm this and execute it. So now we'll watch these drones, and these drones are going to start moving to the area to start scanning for people basically. So for search and rescue, um, you could use all of these drones and you can mass produce them. So they've already detected something, and then yeah, they would give a confidence score. They'd have visual confirmation. They'd have a picture, and then we give the GPS coordinates of where it is. So if we have someone missing somewhere, this would be able to, instead of having people randomly go, this is in a mesh network, and what we're doing is basically detecting. It's using a thermal. It has a thermal detector, and it goes in there and just starts using triangulation methods, running those serpentine patterns. And as you can see, it's still loitering in that serpentine search pattern. It's constantly searching for people. And this would be really cool for a search and rescue. We don't have to waste all these resources on people possibly looking and not finding anything. This would just like immediately take areas out and be like, they're definitely not here. Um, so yeah, I mean, it's just something cool that we were working on, and hope you guys enjoyed that.